Go again. Go, buddy. Jordan, do the slide. Go the slide, Jordan. Do the slide. Jared, you're going to fall, dude. You better do it the right way. Good job, son. You can do it. Are you stuck? Pull your foot over. Pull your foot over. Here, I'll help you. Hold on. Go. Go. Good job, dude. Go. Better hurry up. Your brother climbs up that thing real fast now. Come on, pull yourself up. Here, let me help you. There you go. Go. You better move, Jordan. He's going to hit you. Go, Jared, go. Go, Jared, go. She's out of the way, buddy. Go. Good job. Climb up. Climb up. Well, you shouldn't get in like that, guy. Yeah, you're going to fall. You can't be doing the splits, son. Okay. Good job, dude. See, watch how your sister gets in it. She gets in it the right way. Sort of. Good job, Jordan. Go fast. You better move. Your brother's going to run over you. Come on, son. Why are you getting in there like that? Jordan, you better move. Good job. Go, buddy. Run, Jordan, run. Oh, she threw it away. That's an old cup. Stick. Stick. Where are you going? Can you go ahead first? You can go that way, you just gotta be careful. You got a mouth full of grass. You did. You got a face full of grass. You did. You need to catch yourself with your hands. There you go. Okay, catch yourself this time, kid. Good job, Jordan. Good job. You got grass everywhere. Look at you. Covered in grass. Grass everywhere. Yeah. Wipe it off. Wipe it off. Wipe it off. Like this. Go like that. And you're stuck again. Oh, you fell down? Go, son. What? You little daredevil now? Okay, go. Oh, you're doing it the safe way this time? Oh, you're about to fall backwards. Come on, pull yourself up. There you go. Son, why did you get in like that, buddy? Here. Try it again. Try it again. No. Back up. Okay, come on, try it again. Bring both feet up. Both feet up. Why don't you go face first like your sister? Okay, guys, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.